if you want to see how I got this hair with just a blow dryer, well, wait, not a blow dryer, a hair sucker. That doesn't sound right either. With this, keep watching. Hi everybody, I am back. It has been 10 weeks since I have received my all-time favorite product in the entire world, the Revair, the world's first reverse hair dryer. This thing has been a game changer in my life, in my career. So what have I learned in the last 10 weeks? I have learned how to navigate the different settings on the machine because it is a machine, people. This thing right here, it's got different settings. So people, my clients, everyone always wants to know the different levels, who should use which level. So I'm going to tell you what I've learned today. I'm going to tell you any problems I've come across along the way. When I am doing hair, I'm going to show you in a time lapse of me doing my hair, which got this results before I shot this part of the video. And what I do when I do my hair is I always start in either 2 or 4 quadrants. So what do I use? My super fabulous Revair clips. They come with these awesome clips. And I will section my hair off in either 2 or 4 quadrants. So if I was going to do the 4, I would separate the hair just in front of the ear, and then I would have one in the back, and vice versa on this side. Whenever I do that, that is the ultimate control. You would start whatever side you want, and you would start at the bottom, work your way up in the back on both sides, then get to the front. When you're in the back, you can typically, on most hair, use a little bit of a higher setting. Me, I can crank this baby up. I can go to level 7 on the back of my hair. Now, if you're somebody that has fine hair, can you do that? No. You, well, for me, I end up using, I can use level 7 on the back. When I get to my sides, I can do it on a level 2. For most of my clients, I can actually do their whole head on level 2, and I will go ahead and I'll turn on the button where it's got the 2 lines, which is the heat conductor, and it works really well.
Few moments later.
Do you have blonde hair and you're about to use this? We need to talk. What do you do with your blonde hair in this thing? Stick it in, right? Almost. Here's what I've learned in the last 10 weeks when you're working with the Revair on fragile hair, fine hair, hair that tangles easily. You need to make sure that you use a thick enough of a section to where it is not going to get tangled up in that machine, because you have to think, this thing, it's sucking the hair down in there, so you don't want to use too small of a section to where it's going to cause it to tangle and mat up. How big of a section do you use? So if you have fine blonde hair and you're on the side, I would suggest you probably take the whole side. You can stick it in, but you're going to need to use level 1. That's going to be the safest level. It's going to dry it. It's going to be smooth. Can you use the heat setting? Yes, you can. It'll be fine on the heat setting. That is the safest way to do that, because I have experience with some of my clients that have super blonde hair that should have been trimmed off a long time ago, that the very tips of the hair will like tangle up a little bit. We don't want that. So if you do what I just said, that won't happen. All I'm gonna have is bloopers because I can't get anything else. Hi everybody, it's Carrie Brown reporting live from my Revair microphone, coming soon to you. Is this thing on? Take 50. No.